This one is Realme C63. This one problem is I forget my pattern lock. Now today I'll show you how to hard reset in this phone. If you want to hard reset, at first you press power button and volume up button same time. Press power button and volume up button same time and show power up and restart option. You just turn off your phone. I just power off my phone and wait few seconds. When my phone is turned off totally complete, I just press power button and volume down button. At first I press power button 5 seconds. I press power button 5 seconds and press volume down button. And when show Realme logo, I just unpress power button and wait few seconds and you can see an option no recommended. You just click power button and volume up button same time and show reboot now, restart. You just scroll down. You can see an option called whip data factory reset and selected the text and click power button and again press volume down button and with factory data reset click again and again press power button. Your phone is now fully reset and click reboot now. Wait few seconds. Your phone turn off and turn on and your phone finally reset totally complete. Wait 10 minutes or 5 minutes and when turn off on my phone totally hard reset complete.